What type of chart is most effective for visualizing the distribution of continuous data? Which visualization technique uses color to represent data values across geographical areas? What is the term for a visualization that uses a network of nodes and links to represent relationships between entities? Which type of plot is used to display data points over a time series for one or more groups? What type of visualization tool is used to aggregate and display data from multiple sources interactively? What chart type uses circles to represent data points, with the size of the circle indicating a value? Which diagram is used to show the flow of energy or materials between processes? What type of chart helps in displaying hierarchical data as a set of nested rectangles? Which visualization method is ideal for comparing the composition of different groups? What plot uses vertical lines to display price movements in financial markets?